A leading country of technology and technical skills, South Korea. At the center of its technical eminence, SPHightech Company Limited. SPHightech was founded in 1998 based on its advanced skills and distinctive technology. Our main products include special overlay welded product, pressure vessel, heat exchanger, flange, and etc. We have been achieving continuous growth, supplying to marine and nuclear power plants in numerous major projects. We have effectively contributed in several large-scale projects conducted by multinational companies. Together with other recognitions of our technical skills and quality, we have begun the new challenge to become a world-leading company in the industry. Backed by our government-recognized R&D center and years of industrial experience, we are proud of our very best welding technology. The special dissimilar overlay welding technique can reduce 50% of material costs by layering high anti-abrasion, anti-corrosion, and heat-resisting weld metal of more than 1 millimeter thick on the parent material. We have acquired various international certifications and different patents in 8 categories. They strongly prove our leading technical competence in the industry. As a leading processor in the special welding industry, we carry the most advanced technology. Not only the self-developed special auto welding equipment, but also having a qualified, experienced team at call is our most distinctive competence. Our long pipe inside overlay welding device, patented in 2014, is applicable on 6 to 24-inch pipe with max length of 12 meters. Our inside auto overlay welding device was patented in 2009. The technology is uniquely owned by SPHightech Company Limited, guaranteeing high quality of our products. Committed to renovating technical research, SPHightech Company Limited is continuing its R&D of overlay welding-related automatics. We are devoted to improving customer satisfaction with the world's leading technology. Our products comply with international standards, providing adequate function for customer use. The thorough quality control system assures perfect performance. We are also open to customized orders. Based on independent technology, we provide products with the highest quality and most reasonable price. A reliable company that provides reliable quality. Grounded on ethical and quality management, we, SPHightech Company Limited, promise to be your most faithful partner to success. SPHightech Company Limited.